Well, what's the weather like in Tenerife? Well, you can see it's throwing it down. It's absolutely throwing it down. Yes, so it's absolutely throwing it down. But they said tomorrow's going to be a nicer day, so let's wait and see. Just bumped into Tenerife Tez, lovely man. While he was having breakfast, he's having his breakfast. So at the Scotch Corner, that's where we went. Scotch Corner is absolutely, breakfast is absolutely beautiful there. So now we're just going to find somewhere or something to do. We've bit of a late start this morning because we only got to bed late last night. So I should have been going on a walk, and I'm sorry I didn't make it. Plus Jan's feet have been playing up on a plantar fasciitis, or it's called. So that's the reason why we never went this morning. So I do apologise to anybody who promised that I might be there, but we couldn't because of Jan's feet. But anyway, hopefully the weather is going to pick up tomorrow. So we're going to have a mooch around now. You'll see the previous video arriving here yesterday. We had a few things to buy and a few things to get, and then something to eat. We had a meal out at the Chinese, and then back to our room. So let's see what else we can find while we're here. Well, it looks like the sun is trying to come out, slowly but surely. Believe it or not, it's 28. There's a bit of a breeze. Now, you honestly thought that we'd be staying in because it's bad and the weather's not good, and you can't stay in. So what we're going to do is basically have a little chill around the pool while we're here. It's windy, but it's warm, if you get what I mean. It's nice, it's not too bad. You've got to get the most of it while we can. But like I say, just have a look at the trees if you can see them, and you'll see how windy it is. But it is a warm wind, a warm breeze. The pool is heated, but it's cold. There's nobody in it basically. It's a bit cold. So what I'm going to do in the next couple of days is going to show you where we're staying and a few friends. Meeting up with hopefully Rick by the end of this week, and I think he's got a little bit of a surprise for us all. So let's see what Rick comes up with on one of his next videos. So I'm going to carry on, and I'll come back to you in a bit. See you in a bit. Now this is the place to have something to eat. It's absolutely beautiful.
Have you just reapplied for lipstick? No. What lipstick are you using then? Oh, Rimmel. I don't know. Rimmel. Awesome. Oh, there you go. It's nice. I know. Pretty much. It's alright.
So honestly, that was absolutely beautiful. You need to try that out. And it's just up the road near the Irish bar, near Scotch Corner.
Hey, Tenerife, hello familia, ladies and gentlemen, everybody here. Wanna say magaramari, garamari. Wanna say magaramari, tiki, garamari. Wanna say marra, suguma, wow. Tenerife, hello familia, ladies and gentlemen, everybody here. Show time, wow, chi.
Looks a bit like we have 2 ends. Not very good English, are they?
People knew her by her will, to make it whatever she put her mind to. Late night hours up the hill, serving coffee to strangers, talking about revenue. She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone, but she knew it must rain before.
So we're still out, and we've been to a few bars now, but obviously Coconut Bar is really good. So the beer garden, Scotch Corner, and the Ginger Pig.
Say my name. I'm in the say
So this is where we are, in the middle of everything, to be honest. Ginger Pig, absolutely brilliant, and the Irish Fiddler. I'm going to show you now our hotel, and this is where we're staying. That's generous. This is our apartment in a decker. So let's go and have a couple of drinks in the apartment. So back at the apartment now. I'm just going to have a little walk round because I haven't been round yet today. So have a nosy, show you the pool. So yeah, another good night. But tomorrow, the weather's a little, it's picked up, but it's going to be picking up tomorrow, so you'll have to come with us tomorrow and we'll go for a bit more adventure. So I'll see you all tomorrow.